Model: 66-plate VAUXHALL Vivaro L2 1.6CDTI Ulez compliant spares OR repairs. Body: white, panel van. Mileage: 193679. Engine: 1598 cc 1.6115 PS E5A. Transmission: 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary: starts runs with a bottom-end knock. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Condition summary: bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition. Features: 2 former keepers, electric windows. EU status: Ulez compliant. HPI: clear. Cap retail: £5,095. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 0.7